Hello, everyone. Today, we'll engrave a pattern on a painted stainless steel thermos using our FiberLaser engraver with a rotary axis. First, measure the cup's diameter with a ruler and make a note of it. The diameter of this cup is approximately 16 millimeters. Next, place the cup securely onto the rotary axis to keep it stable during engraving. Then, adjust the focal length to ensure proper marking accuracy. Turn on the indicator light above. When the two red dots align, the focus is correct. Select your pattern in the software, adjust size, and set engraving parameters. If the paint is thick, 2 engraving passes give the best results. After completing the setup, preview it. Rotate position, adjust size. Set the rotation axis and enter the measured cup diameter in the workpiece. Marking begins now. Within seconds, you'll have a clean, permanent engraving on your thermos. Need laser engraving solutions? Contact HeatSign today.